Hi guys, well I would like to explain you today the exact difference between the leg break and leg spin. Well, people often get confused and even some young growing cricketers get confused in differentiating between the leg break and leg spin. Actually, in a simple way, I should say that there is no difference between the leg break and leg spin. Well, both are one and same if it is discussed in this way. Like, I mean, we have different words but the meaning is the same. Well, we have different words like leg break and leg spin. In fact, both are one and same. Well, leg break is a delivery which actually pitches in and around the leg stump line and will try to break the line. Will try to break the line of pitch of the ball and will try to move away towards the outside the off stump line. And similarly, a leg spin is a delivery which always pitches in and around the leg stump line and will try to spin away from the line of pitch of the ball. Well, if you compare both of these, you can clearly understand the words break and spin are different, but the meaning is the same. Like, break means breaking the line from pitch of the ball and trying to move away, trying to move towards the outside the off stump line. And similarly, spinning away from line of pitch of the ball and moving away towards the outside the off stump line, which means both are one and same. Well, if it is explained in this way, leg break and leg spin are one and same. But on the other hand, what we need to know is, based on different conditions and different situations, different cricket intellectuals have given different definitions and given their different opinions on words leg break and leg spin. Well, according to some cricket intellectuals, leg break is a part of, it is an integral part of leg spin bowling, like other variations are the integral part of leg spin bowling, like leg break, and we have flipper, we have googly, and we have slider, we have different other variations which are integral part of leg spin bowling. And totally at the end of the day, according to some cricket intellectuals, leg spin bowling is a collection of different variations. So this is what the leg spin bowling is all about, according to some cricket intellectuals. Okay. Well, finally, depending on other cricket intellectuals, the leg break bowlers are completely different bowlers compared to leg spin bowlers. Well, they can be explained in this way. Well, leg break bowlers are completely a finger-based bowlers. Well, they completely rely on the fingers. Fingers will play a major role in spinning the ball. Therefore, leg break bowlers are the bowlers who can spin the ball only on spinning tracks. Well, this is the biggest difference between the leg break bowlers and leg spin bowlers. Well, whereas leg spin, let me give the examples for leg break bowlers. Well, we got Anil Kumble, we got Shahid Afridi, and we got Piyush Chawla. Well, these guys can only spin the ball on spinning tracks. Well, in contrast, leg spin bowlers are completely based on wrist-based spin bowlers. Well, they completely rely on wrist. Well, wrist will play the major role in spinning the ball. Well, these guys can spin the ball on any kind of track. Well, we got examples like Shane Warne and Abdul Qadir. Well, therefore these bowlers, these leg spin bowlers are the bowlers who can spin the ball on any kind of track. Well, this is the major differentiation between the leg spin bowlers and leg break bowlers according to some cricket intellectuals. Well, at the end of the day, depending upon different conditions and different situations, it is the you to decide what actually is and in what accordingly you have to move. Hope you have understood the differentiation between the leg break bowling and leg spin bowling based on different cricket intellectuals. For more information, you can visit our website www.questioncricket.com.